Hey guys, Justin here from SSC Garage. We're out here, it's kind of cold today. I don't have the heat on yet. We're in our makeshift paint booth because we haven't got to paint our Civic yet. We actually had to move the Civic out to put this Forester in here. We're actually doing a engine change on this. This actually has a bad motor in it. It's got a blown head gasket and we think a bad timing chain in it, rattling really bad. Every now and then it'll rattle real bad, but then it disappears for some reason. But we are going to take this out and put a new motor in, actually, or used motor. The customer's already brought the other motor over. We have it here. We're still waiting on parts for the Mini Cooper, so as soon as we get them done. But the real reason why we're here today, had a mishap in the garage today. Kind of our compressor blew up, so we had to go buy a new compressor today. So we didn't even get to turn one bolt on this car back here because our compressor, as soon as it turned on for about a minute or two, it started, it blew the breaker, it started smoking, then blew the breaker. So it was done. Went and bought a new compressor today, guys. So it's one I've never owned before. I don't know much about it, but I mean, they're supposedly pretty good. It's actually a new one. They just came out with it. It's a Kobalt Quiet Tech. It's supposed to be 80% quieter with 2 times the motor life. So it's actually a 26 gallon, stand up. It's supposed to be a Quiet Tech air compressor. We're going to unbox this thing and see how nice it is. It's supposed to, right here on the side, it says it's supposed to be quiet, only 70 decibels, oil free for easy maintenance. I know it's not the best kind of compressor to get right now, but it's good enough for me. 150 pound max PSI. It's got 4.5 CFM at 90 PSI. So it'll do everything here at the shop that I need done. I don't have a big shop. It's just me out here working. So we're actually going to unbox this, plug it in. Hopefully it's got all the fittings. We'll see what this thing looks like and see how good of a compressor it is. So like I said, it's my first time actually owning one of these compressors. So we're going to see just how well they are, and maybe we'll buzz a lug nut off or something off this Forester to see how good the compressor works with my impact guns. Because when Scott was over here and we were actually putting the last bar in on the Civic, which you guys haven't seen yet, we noticed air pressure problems with the compressor, and my regulator actually broke. So I knew it was getting ready to happen, and it did today. So I had to go buy a brand new compressor, and about to get this thing out of the box here. All right, guys. Looks like it's packaged up pretty well. No damage, don't look like. Got the instructions here. Oh, we'll keep them right there. Let's see here. Kind of hard to get this out one-handed, guys, but it looks pretty good for so far. And that's annoying. That's styrofoam. Okay. Let me get the knife back out. We'll cut this tape. Put this off of there. So get the plastic off. Well, it's actually pretty nice, guys. Quick startup guide. We'll have to read that. see what it says. Motor looks very, very nice. Looks like they did a good job on this. Nice switch on it. 2 lines out. Got your nice regulator in the center. You got your tank pressure, got your tool pressure. 26 gallon. It's even got a 3-year warranty on it. So it's not a bad compressor, guys, if you want to get one. It's actually got a hose holder actually right here on the front to hold you guys' hose, and then the other, so you bring your hose down and you hook it down so it doesn't come off or doesn't break. But everything looks good so far. Got dual mufflers. Seems like a nicely built compressor, guys. We'll get this thing off the base here and we'll roll it around. We'll move this garbage real quick here, and we'll get this thing fired up, and we'll see actually how loud this thing actually is. They say it's supposed to be quiet tech. So if it's quiet tech, we're going to see how quiet it really is. So see if we can see how loud it is here for you guys. So you guys can be the judge of yourself if you guys want to get this model. It's actually very, very heavy. It's a nice model, I think. But I guess I'll see you once we get it fired up here. So we'll read on here real quick. Alright, pretty basic. We're going to put it over here so it'll go next to my... Get this. It's hard to do one-handed, guys. Get this thing undone here. And we will see what she'll do. Alright, let's see how quiet it is, guys. You ready? We're all plugged in now. We're going to turn the switch on, and she should kick on right now, and should build up air pressure, and we'll see how long it takes, and we'll see how quiet it is. That's actually very, very quiet, guys. Way quieter than my other one. It's been about 20 seconds. It's pumping. And you guys can see there, we're getting some tank pressure right now. Like I said, guys, you be the judge of yourself. This is Kobalt Quiet Tech. It's a 150 psi, 26 gallon compressor, stand up. It's supposed to be quiet tech. Seems very quiet to me compared to my other air compressor that just blew up, and you couldn't even hear yourself think in this garage with that other compressor. This compressor, I can have it right next to me, and it's quieter than my heater, guys. So I don't think it's too bad of a deal. Now, I mean, they were on sale at Lowe's. That's the reason why I picked it up. And it's an actual new model they just came out with. So if you guys are interested in it, go pick it up. It's at your local Lowe's. It's actually on sale right now. It runs pretty good, guys. Sounds good. It's been about 1 minute, and there's 60 pounds of pressure in it right now. So I hope you guys can see that. So like I said, our other one blew up. Went and got this one. I'm gonna grab a hose and we will grab a air gun here. And actually, here it is, guys. Here's a little preview of the car. It's actually moved over a bay in my garage. My garage actually 3 bays. It looks small. It is small, but it'll hold 3 cars. It'll do what I need to do. But if you see here, we actually got our bar welded in for under our dashboard. So now we are completely ready to finish sanding this car and have it ready for paint. I have some Bondo spots to finish sanding, then we're almost ready. Very little left to sand on this car. This car is almost ready to be painted. Everything has been sanded and gone through. I'm telling you guys, we've really spent time on this car to get it sanded and making it look good, and doing it right and trying to make it look good. It's my first time painting a full car like this, so I'm gonna see how good I do. Like I said, it's my first time painting a car like this. I've painted a car a little bit before. I painted our enduro car, but like I said, it'll be my first full paint for like my race car or a show car quality paint job. We'll see how good I can do. All this garbage in the way. We are going to throw some of this over here out the way for a second. Just some styrofoam. And the box for this we're gonna put over here out of our way for a minute. Sorry about my janky garage, guys. Like I said, I'm not from big money. I got a little garage. I'm trying to do stuff right now, and I'm trying to do better, you know. So this has got to work for now. We're gonna move up eventually. Hopefully, if everything takes off here, we're gonna move up to a better shop, and we'll see how all that goes. So right now it has been about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. We're at 120 on the tank pressure. And the regulator works very nice. We'll do 90. We'll do 100. We're going to do 100 psi. This goes to 150, then it will kick off. Like I said, we are right at almost 150. It should be kicking off. So we'll plug in our hose and get an impact here and see how good this thing actually works, guys. Now this is going to be fun. Hang on a minute, guys. Let me get a gun here. Let me see. Probably a 19 or 17, 18. Like I said, as soon as we get the motor changed on this car, we are actually going to start doing work and prep and paint on this car. So we will see how everything actually plays out and how everything works, because I'm kind of excited to get this thing done. I want to get it painted this winter, get it wired, get everything bolted back in it. I want some things done on it this winter. So how? I think we're gonna have to read in there to see how to shut this thing down a little earlier. It'll probably be in the instructions more than likely, guys. Just make sure you read the instructions on this. So it's running real good. We are, sounds like it's got good pressure. Okay. That sounds better. So let's see if we can see if this thing works pretty good here. Oh yeah, it'll buzz them right off. No problem, guys. That's actually got way more pressure than my old compressor, so working very nice, I think. Oh yeah, that thing's very, very nice now. So guys, I mean, my review, it's a great compressor. So I would recommend it for you guys. I mean, I wouldn't not buy it. This thing is seems like it's got wheels on it, portable. So I mean, runs good, very, very quiet. If you guys like the video, guys, please like, subscribe. It only helps the channel. It helps me bring you more videos like the one coming up, changing this motor. You know, it only helps me, and hopefully helps you guys. You know, if you ever come across any of this stuff and you have to do it, I hope, you know, some of my videos help you out or entertain you. So please like and subscribe. Thanks.